Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a clean and organize with me of my fridge. As you can tell, it needs a lot of work. There's some items in here that need to be thrown away, and we need to organize and start over again. So I'm just unpacking the bags here. I really hate plastic bags, but unfortunately Click and Collect at this point in time will only let you use plastic bags instead of the reusable ones. So we're dealing with that at the moment. But basically, just got a small amount of items. We're really trying to be conscious about what we're buying and the food waste, and only really getting what we need for that week. I have to organize my food by category after I get it out of the bags, which drives Kev nuts. But basically, I organize everything based on produce, based on shelf life, that sort of thing. So I've just got a whole bunch of fresh fruits and vegetables, which we get every week. Some of our meats as well, some of our canned foods. This is the healthy cola kombucha that we use now instead of regular soda. And we'll just grab things like for Kev's lunch, like the chicken breasts, gluten-free bread that we use as well, gluten-free cereal, rice puffs that have no corn syrup in them, same as the brown rice ones, and a few other items that we really need to just keep on the shelves. This is our dairy-free coconut yogurt without corn syrup, so it doesn't upset our stomachs, and we love it. A bit of apple juice, and that's where we're at right now. Alright, so now it is time to take everything out. That's my great bathroom cleaner. As you all know, it has been really tough trying to find certain cleaning products with everything going on. So we make do with what we have, don't we? It actually smells really good. So I've been using it in other parts besides the bathroom, as I'm sure you can tell. So I've just taken out some items, looking to see how dirty and how gross this fridge has gotten. Not too bad, definitely could be better. But just wiping everything down with the cleaner and giving everything a really good scrub before I check the items and put them back on their shelves. So I've taken everything out. I'm just doing a quick vacuum of the items that I can't quite get with a cloth. Making sure that everything is wiped down and clean. I'm just going to add a bit more spray and just let that sit for a minute before I wipe everything up and start putting the new items back in the fridge. now comes my favorite part of organizing everything back into the fridge and making it look nice and stocked. So a little tip that we have for our fridge is anything that needs to be eaten first or consumed within that week, we put on the top shelf. I tend to put fruit and vegetables and that sort of thing on the top, just to remind us to go ahead and eat that stuff up first. I'm also putting in some paper towel down in the crisper, that's what we call it here, just to keep everything nice and fresh. Another tip I have is taking out some of the bulkier items that you have, like we have a pack of chia seeds here, and putting them in smaller containers so that they fit a heck of a lot easier in your fridge. This keeps everything more organized for me, and I can stack them on top of each other, which is great if you're trying to save space within your tiny fridge, like us. So it's a win-win. Thanks guys for watching. I hope that gave you a bit of motivation to organize. Stay tuned for more. See you guys later.